white and grey color. So the best part about this foyer, what I like is the mirror. I can do my hair how many times ever time I want. And the second thing is you can see very closely the design for this laminate. It's a very beautiful grey and little brownish shade of laminate. This laminate, which is going very well with the entire foyer area. And so coming to the TV unit in the living area, so we have, again you can see the same color laminate what was there in the foyer area. We have used the same color laminate, and only one laminate that we have included extra is the skirting laminate, which is a brown color, because the same color we wanted to use in the dining area. So we just wanted to have this similar same kind of a theme. We don't wanted to use so many colors. And you can see at the top, the ceiling is in triangle shape. It has got 3 layers ceiling, and the similar ceiling we have in the dining area also, and to the sit out area. Then to this corner is a northeast corner. So we have kept a puja mandir to the northeast corner according to Vastu. So here in this we have a small little storage where you can keep all your puja stuff, and then we have 2 shelves also, which is not fixed as of now, but it's gonna fixed. Now we are at the dining area. This is the place for the dining, and here we have made a crockery unit, a full size crockery. So the display unit is here, and rest all is the storage. So I have given a platform also if at all you want to, the client wants to keep their prepared food, so they can keep it here, and then it becomes easier. So this is a very simple and sleek design for the crockery unit. Now we are in the kids bedroom, or you can say the study room. This is the most favorite place of this particular client, because he loves laptop. He actually has 2-3 systems, and he works most of the time he works from home. So we have used maximum of the space for his working station only. You can see to both the sides we have this bookshelf, and then the study table in L shape where he'll be keeping 2 monitors, and up also we have a study unit. Then this is the side table come a seating below the window. Then to this side we have a cot, which is a very small size, only one person can accommodate. It's not even a queen size cot. And to this side we have a similar matching color wardrobe, a full size wardrobe. I'll show you from inside also. This is the wardrobe that we have. And finally, I'll take you to the master bedroom. That's my favorite area. I like the master bedroom most. So this is the most liked area by me, just because you can see the mirror in the front. It's a full size mirror with a complete storage space, and you'll be amazed to see what is there behind this mirror. Here we go. So this was actually a way for bathroom. What we did is we covered the entire this wall with the wardrobes only, and this is actually a way to go to the bathroom. And then coming to this side wall, we have a you can say a space for reusable clothes, because every day to day we don't wash all the clothes in one day only. This is a laundry basket, and this is a place to hang your reusable clothes. This is a 3-door sliding wardrobe. king size cot. This is a very low heighted cot, and to this side the headrest is still yet to come. It's going to be a cushion headboard, not a normal laminated headboard. So this is all about the Sachin side. It was a 3 BHK. The client was very nice and he was very cooperative while we were making the designs and execution. We were a little delayed on the execution part, but he was very cooperative, and since the design has come up very well, so he was very much okay with the execution and team designing. Thanks to Sachin, and thanks for watching us.